I ain't gonna lie. This is my first reaction to this, but I've been on this bitch, as you can see. I really liked it. I don't know why my shit be going off like that. But yeah, Hurricane Wisdom, G Herbo. Clippers.
Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Grab it low and then I send them. Don't take shit, be a killer. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house filled with clip. They got it on me in LA. I'm dropping too wild. Hey, at the A-Shot, I got my gym. Michael J come smile, but I don't know how I gang got his in. Virgin kid, put it on my feet and tap this bitch. I'm throwing 10. Bitch, say who you think you is. So I ask her what I look like. Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Grab it low and then I send them. Don't take shit, be a killer. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house filled with clip.
Wind that back. He popped his shit. Wind that back. Then the video is crazy. Look at that. Look at that bitch talking to you. Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Grab it low and then I send them. Don't take shit, be a killer. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house filled with clip. They got it on me in LA. I'm dropping too wild. Hey, at the A-Shot, I got my gym. Michael J come smile, but I don't know how I gang got his in. Virgin kid, put it on my feet and tap this bitch. I'm throwing 10. Bitch, say who you think you is. So I ask her what I look like. What I look like, bitch?
Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Grab it low and then I send them. Don't take shit, be a killer. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house filled with clip. They got it on me in LA. I'm dropping too wild. Nah, fuck, I'm dropping 50 like on Giannis. They fucking up my finest. Help, bitch, I'm a problem. Like, I'm to help, bitch, I'm a pro. I thought that action game was bouncing out that flame, but he don't know. They say life's a game, I treat shit like a game, not the scope. On the ground, that boy goes. Behind that, his ass is post. Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Grab it low and then I send them. Don't take shit, be a killer. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house filled with clip. They got it on me in LA. I'm dropping too wild.
Since Jet, I been that nigga. 16 with 6 figures. I go AP, Paddock, Richard. G Swerve, big spender. Buy a limb, pull off, go tenant. Phone him, try and get me to spin it. Fuck these pussies, I don't feel them. If he move, drench, kill him. I got mad love in the trenches, but I ain't been back in a minute. I been on the road and fucking hoes and counting checks relentless. Beat the streets, I ducked the senses. Told the Chris Vec jumping fences. Told my mama quit her job cause we don't need no fucking pension. If it's smoke, better pay attention. Lil' bro stay on go, he ain't missing. Glock 23 got a switch and extension. And you a dial, but tweets don't mention me. If you ain't with it, you still can get it. When you gon' realize I'm that nigga? Made it out without a scratch.
Realize I'm that nigga. Grab it low and then I send them. Don't take shit, violence. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house filled with clip. They got it on me.
Your safe house filled with clippers, dropping 2 per wire limit.
Hey, at the A-Shot, got my gym. Michael J come smile, but I don't know how I gang got his in. Virgin kid, put it on my feet and tap this bitch. I'm throwing 10. Bitch, say who you think you is. So I ask her what I look like.
Look like.
Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Grab it low and then I send them. Don't take shit, be a killer. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house.
It's a song for all the niggas who realizing that nigga.
Nah, fuck, I'm dropping 50 like on
Giannis.
Ain't fucking up my finest. Help, bitch, I'm a problem. Like, I'm to help, bitch, I'm a pro. I thought that action game was bouncing out that flame, but he don't know. They say life's a game, I treat shit like a game.
Up the scope.
On the ground, that boy goes. Behind that, his ass is post.
Boy, I said that's a gamble, so I treat this shit like a game up the scope. Stop fucking playing. That nigga making a clock, man. This video a whole illusion, bro. Oh my god, I'm high as a bitch. Bitch is beautiful, bro. Whoever directed this, A fucking plus.
Since Jet, I been that nigga. 16 with 6 figures. I go AP, Paddock, Richard. G Swerve, big spender. Buy a limb, pull off, go tenant. Phone him, try and get me to spin it. Fuck these pussies, I don't feel them. If he move, drench, kill him. I got mad love in the trenches, but I ain't been back in a minute. I been on the road and fucking Fucking hoes and counting checks relentless. Beat the streets, I duck the senses. Told the Chris Fake jumping fences. Told my mama quit her job cause we don't need no fucking pension. If it's smoke, better pay attention. Lil' bro, stay on go, he ain't missing. Glock 23 got a switch and extension. And you a dial, but tweets don't mention me. If you ain't with it, you still can get it. When you gon' realize I'm that nigga? Made it out without a scratch. We was baby apes going to war with gorillas. Ski.
Starting to realize I'm that nigga. Got it low and then I send them. Don't take shit to be a killer. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house filled with clip. And they got it on me in LA. I'm choppy too. Wild in I say, grab it low and then I send them. Don't take shit to be a killer. Even the church house filled with sinners. Nigga, my safe house filled with clip. And they got it on me in LA. I'm choppy too. Wild in
Yeah, that bit tough, bro. Yeah, that bit tough. Clippers, I was in this bit vibed out. And my mama, I ain't out there still doing the reaction shit. Over these hoes, I don't feel like when I could just do these hoes constant and just drop. Like, it's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be wild. Like, just stick with me, I'm finna get to it, I'm finna go extra hard so I can be able to do that. You know? Stop playing my shit. Stop playing, dropping 2 Kawhi Leonard. Yeah, got a little, yeah. Stop playing my shit. I can't get the lighting right, but they cut the sun out now. And the lights. I'm mixing with it. Too much light. But yeah.